Hi, welcome. In this video, we are going to see the most important and commonly faced scenario in Excel or business intelligence tools. So here I have a column A in my Excel sheet which contains 4-digit numbers, each row up to 75 rows. I want to put in a single row each number in double quotes separated by a comma. This information we need is very common, especially when we are working on business intelligence tools to input or report parameters, right? First, we'll see how we can achieve this using formula. So to achieve this, I want to write this much of big code, right? See, this is what we expected. So I don't want to do this. So I want to automate whenever I get a scenario like this, right? You can just paste your data like this in a column A and go all the way down in the sheet one. You can just right click and go to the view code area and run this script and come back to the data where you are. Boom. So this is what we wanted, right? Hope this video is useful to you. In case you are looking for this VBA script, let me know in the comment section below, as yes, I want the script, and subscribe to this channel. Once it reaches to the thousands views, I will publish the code in the comment section. See you in the next video. Thank you.